Welcome to the first episode of Nico's Kitchen, where I teach you how to make delicious meals to help you lose body fat and grow lean muscle. I'm a personal trainer who has helped tons of people who have struggled to lose body fat, and these are the meals that I use for them and for myself. Today we're going to make high protein, low calorie Mediterranean bowls. These are all the ingredients you're going to need right here. Boneless, skinless chicken thigh, fat-free feta, rice, oregano, salt, pepper, garlic. For the vegetables, I'm going to use cucumber, onion, and tomato, and then half of a lemon. Now we've got a cooking oil and a cooking spray, and I also have a 2% fat Greek yogurt. If your main goal is to lose body fat, you probably want to do a 0% fat Greek yogurt. I'm going to be making 5 meals out of this for the week, but you can just multiply these portions by the number of meals you want to make. The first thing that I'm going to do is pop the rice in. Right here we have the rice cooker. This is awesome because you can just pop the rice in, leave it for like 40 minutes, and it comes out perfect every time. What I like to do is I usually add twice the amount of water per serving of rice. That way it comes out super fluffy. This is super important. This is one of my biggest tips when it comes to nutrition. You want to do this if your main goal is to lose body fat. One of the highest calorie foods is oil, and that includes olive oil. What I like to do, any kind of cooking, any kind of greasing a pan, anything like that, I always use a spray. That's going to save you so many calories, and it's going to make your weight loss so much faster and easier. Right now, we're going to season these chicken thighs with garlic, salt, pepper, and oregano. Really give it that Mediterranean taste. So for me, I don't really measure the amount of seasonings that I'm putting on there. What I do is I just kind of sprinkle a thin layer over each individual chicken thigh. And just season it however much you like it. If you like a lot of seasoning, toss it on there. If you just like a little sprinkle, just sprinkle it. We're gonna go ahead and pop this chicken in the oven at 325 for around 30 to 40 minutes. It gets really nice and juicy that way. It doesn't get too crisp. After we pop this in the oven, we're just gonna start on our vegetables. I'm just gonna dice a few tomatoes, a few onions, a cucumber. Yeah, look at that rice, that looks amazing. Now I'm just gonna dish everything out, and while it's cooling down, I am gonna start making the tzatziki sauce. For this tzatziki sauce, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 cups Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons dill, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and we're gonna just squeeze half a lemon over it. The total calories and macros for that meal will be on screen right here. Thanks for watching. If you want more healthy recipes like this and helpful fitness tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. TrainerNico.com for all training or nutrition inquiries. Also, hit that bell button so you don't miss when my next video drops.